Okay guys, this is my room tour. This is the front door, and this room is awesome. First, when you walk in, here's the bathroom in this huge bathtub. This is so nice. And then the mirror, 2 sinks, and then over here is the shower. I already opened the door, but the light automatically comes on when you open it. The shower, the water closet, the toilet with your phone, and let's see what's in here. Closet with robes and a scale. In here, safe, drawers, dresser. I don't know what that is, the power box, I guess. Coffee and other stuff and whatnot. And then you have a butler, and you can request what alcohol you want. And I requested, these are the ones they had to choose from. So I'm familiar with Absolute, and this is a big bottle. This is what ounce is this? I can't see the ounce. It's 1 liter. I don't think y'all can see that, but it's huge. And then this one, this is vodka, and this is tequila. And here's this. And then you have a refrigerator here with all this that's included. I don't drink sodas or beer, but it is what it is. Let's see what else. This is a wine chiller, I'm assuming. My suitcase, place for you to put your suitcase. You can change the temperature. And then here's a full body mirror. And my bed. This bed is huge. It doesn't come across on camera, but it is huge. And then you have a separate living area here. And then the television. And then the best part is, hold on, let me get this door open. Serenity. I got the swim up pool. Here's 2 swing chairs where I can eat out at, enjoy my meal, and a sun bed. And then I have my own private pool area. Swim up pool. It's very quiet over here. It's 3 feet deep. But yeah, this is super nice. Really nice. I'm gonna enjoy this for my birthday and Christmas. I love this room. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. And then there's these curtains also. Like if you were staying with someone else, you wanted to close it off, you could close these curtains. But it's beautiful. I forgot to mention that you get a bracelet. So this is your hotel key to open up your room and to get in and out of everything. So yeah, this is my hotel key. Let me fill this water. Not bad, it's pretty warm. There's lights on the stairs if I want to go out at night. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Take my room off of private because I had it on do not disturb, and then I want the maid service to come now, so I'm gonna hit that. Okay, so I put the maid service on. I had do not disturb. I took it off of that, and now I'm gonna put I want my room clean, and they're gonna come. It's gonna notify them outside the door here to show you guys how it goes. That's the maid service. This is do not disturb. So yeah, pretty cool. And also, this is how you control the AC. If you want the AC down or up, you just do that, or you want to turn it off, you just hit that. And the AC automatically cuts off. Also, whenever you leave your balcony door open, if this door is open, the AC will automatically cut off. So if you don't want your room to be hot, make sure you close the door. So yeah. All right, this is how you get into your room with your key. Just tap it right here. Alright, my room has been glued. Yes, I love how they clean your room every day. Oh, my Bluetooth speaker's here. Yay!